கோவை செட்டிப்பாளையத்தில் இந்தியன் ரேசிங் லீக் கார் பந்தய போட்டி நடைபெற்றது. கோவை செட்டிப்பாளையத்தில் ஃபார்முலா 4 இந்திய சாம்பியன்ஷிப் மற்றும் ஜேகே டயர் நேஷனல் ரேசிங் சாம்பியன்ஷிப் LGP F4 ஆகியவற்றுடன் பிரான்சைஸ் அடிப்படையிலான இந்தியன் ரேசிங் லீக் கார் பந்தயம் நேற்று முன்தினம் மற்றும் நேற்று நடைபெற்றது. 28வது ஆண்டாக நடைபெற்ற ஜேகே டயர் நேஷனல் ரேசிங் சாம்பியன்ஷிப்பில் நாடு முழுவதும் இருந்து கார் பந்தய வீரர்கள் கலந்து கொண்டனர். பல்வேறு சுற்றுகளாக நடத்தப்பட்ட போட்டிகளில் முதல் சுற்றில் ஜப்பானைச் சேர்ந்தவர் முதல் இடத்தையும், தென்னாப்பிரிக்காவைச் சேர்ந்தவர் 2வது இடத்தையும், 3வது இடத்தை இந்திய வீரரும் தட்டி சென்றனர்.
For P2, can I call upon stage Srinivasan, the divisional manager for Nayara Operations at Manager Simon to receive the trophy from Sunny Kumar again.
Today we are on the second round of our JK Tyre National Racing Championship, the 28th year, and the Indian Racing Festival, round 3. Today we still have 3 races to go, and yesterday we had done 4 races, and then from here we head to the next round of National Racing Championship of a third round, which is going to be in Coimbatore, and the 4th round of IRL and F4 will be in Goa.
What do you have to say about the Goa and Mumbai circuits where it is the first time India we are going to have open circuit race?
Last year we had a street race in Chennai, Before that, it was Hyderabad. So this year, it's Goa and Mumbai. So we can see, you all can see how motorsports is growing in India, and this is the best part about this. And with JK Tyre behind it, it will grow a lot in the coming years.
So are we seeing the expected footfall here of fans?
In Coimbatore, yes, the footfall in Coimbatore is a little less as compared to the street racing, because this track has been here since lots of years. So all the people out here in Coimbatore is quite aware how racing is, so they don't usually come out here. But the numbers today is as expected.
How many women are participating in this race?
There are 3 different categories we running, and in that there are total 2 women.
What do you think about the overall performance of the cars? Especially today, we have seen a lot of close racing and very aggressive driving as well. What do you think about the performance of the round overall?
One of the grid, which is the F4 car, the Formula F4, is the actual Formula F4, which is run internationally also. So those are the same cars for this track. These cars are quite fast, but the track is quite safe for these cars, and it's excellent out here. And for our national championship, the LGBs that we are using, those are 1300 engine cars, and they touch about 150 kilometers on the main straight, which again is quite fast for this track.
Sir, would you like to comment on the racing incident about yesterday? Anything about that?
It was a racing incident where one of the car in front of one of the car was a bit slow, so the driver took a bit right to overtake that car. Meanwhile, the car from behind came parallel to that car. Both the cars, the wheels locked, and they could not disengage, and they went